Self-care is the best care. Get you a spin brush, baby.
Look at this headband with these edges, with this face. Hi guys, welcome back to Video with Ty. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I go from raggedy straggedy-ish to this. So yes, I'll show you guys this completed look in 10 minutes. That's all you need, sis, 10 minutes. Whether you're late for work, whether it's just a pop-up, let me run to the store and not look a mess. Whether it's, oh girl, ooh, you got a date. Or whether it's, okay, your homegirl trying to come over, what we gotta do? Okay.
Alright, you guys, so it is 7 o'clock in the morning. So what I'm going to do is go to my stopwatch, and I'm just going to use my stopwatch just so it can kind of be a little bit more timed. That way help me from me taking my camera from the bathroom to my filming area, and me moving the camera around. It's not going to take away from my time because, baby, I need all my time. Okay? Don't play with it. So we're going to go ahead and show you how you can spruce up yourself really quick, really easy. Excuse my voice, it's a little deep. It's early in the morning. And also, you guys, make sure you click the link down below to go check out my bonnets. I do have so many different colors that you can choose from. Also some mommy and me sets, so make sure you go click the link down below. But yeah, here's my stopwatch. I'm gonna go ahead and start it and get the move in. Boom. Quick little brush. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I have this little, look at me. Y'all, I have this little thing that I organized with 3 other essential things that you definitely need. I use all these every day. So, floss. Every day, sis. Okay. While I'm at it, go ahead and clean my ears. Get in them ears, sis. Okay. Get all up in there. Ugh. Is anyone else this extra when y'all clean your ears? Alright, next step, I will be taking this bomb spin brush. Y'all, this is my favorite. This is like the favorite part of my day. Hold on, let me pause this. This is like my favorite part of the day is using my spin brush. I'm not even exaggerating. Self-care is the best care. Get you a spin brush, baby. But let's go ahead and get this together because we still looking sleepy. My little 4-step face combo. So, starting my timer back, Urban Skin Tone Soap.
So yeah, you guys, make sure you go and click the link down below because if you use my code Beauty with Ty, you will get 70% off of your own spin brush system. It comes with 3 other brushes, so make sure you take advantage. And that kit is called the Radiant Spin Brush System. And make sure that you are using code Beauty with Ty. And I also have a full detailed video on this spin brush coming soon, letting you guys know my experience with this spin brush, even though clearly you can see how I feel about this after 3 weeks of using this. Okay,
all right, we're gonna only hit this up for about a minute, even though I usually do this for like 2-3 minutes. I be stuck in the shower. Sometimes it be like 10. I just be thinking about everything I gotta do today. I be like, having that water just hit my back, my side, and my chest and stuff. You will get stuck in the shower. So let me shush and go to the next step. Alright, so the last thing I do is get my little cotton pad from out of here. My Glow Tonic Love. Clearly, now we're going to take a little bit, about that much, not too much. And the last thing for the face is this moisturizing vitamin C lotion by Pixie as well. Abombe. You see? Abombe. Now look at this glow. Okay, I ain't got time. Alright, that's all for the face, and we are at 5 minutes and 55 seconds. So we can go ahead and go to the back and tackle for this. Okay, you guys, so now to my head, 5 minutes in, just on pretty much hygiene, you know, brushing teeth, wash your face, all of that good stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into the hair, sis. Love this texture. Watch this. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let me show you how easy and convenient and how you need to go get a headband wig ASAP, especially on rush days. Okay, as you see here, you just take the Velcro, go ahead and attach that, and look, already, instantly, baby, that quick, that simple, boom, headband wig, bam. So already your hair done and you look refreshed, and we are at 6 minutes and 40 seconds, sis. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Boom. But we're going to take it a step further because where am I going? My edges looking like this. So I'm gonna take some of my Style Factor Edge Booster and I'm gonna scrunch this back because I'm gonna put on a different headband. So let's go ahead and smooth my edges back. All right, we're gonna swoop these back. Do I want extra baby hair today or do I want to be regular degular? Let's do that little swoopy swoop that way. All right, boom, got my edges, but y'all know Style Factor be kind of tripping and you know, so we're gonna go in with the Gorilla Snot. Just so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure them bad boys hold all day. Do what works for your edges. Over top, and then I just kind of pull it a little bit to expose my edges. And let's put on this headband that I was sent that is too cute. You guys, I sell headbands on my website as well, so click the link down below. I have styles just like this. Okay, got my headband on, and now we are at 8 minutes. 8 minutes to do face. Headband took about 2 minutes to do my headband. Now I'm going to do my makeup really quick. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me pause this right quick. Let's have a moment of silence for this headband, which took me 2 minutes to put on, including doing my edges. Okay, look at this headband. Yes. So convenient, so cute. Talk about going on a date. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna do my hair. Boom, girl. Talk about you wake up late for work. Boom, girl. You got your little Zoom meeting and you don't feel like doing a lot. Boom, girl. All right, let me go ahead and start my timer back so we can get this makeup going. Fill in my brows just a bit. Highlight underneath these brow bones, cheekbones, cupid's bow. Hit my nose a bit. Put a little something on my lips. Let's outline them. Get a little gloss. And boom. Let's see where we at. Stop playing with me. 9 minutes and 56 seconds. 9 minutes and 56 seconds. Stop playing. Okay, sis. 10 minutes. Really? Really? And the best thing is, like, I didn't even have to flat iron it. Look how straight it is, and I didn't even have to flat iron it. Like, look at the texture of this hair. It's so beautiful. I love the luster in it. Everything about this texture looks really good. Alright, so this part is all complete. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw on some clothes really quick and show you guys the completed look. I'll be back. Check your girl out. And let me tell you how this dress came from Ross for $7.99. And y'all, I got this bag. It is so cute. I got it from Kohl's. It was originally $69, sis. And your girl paid $10, sis. First of all, it wasn't worth no $69 in the first place. But okay. Second of all, it was worth more than $10. But your girl got it for $10. Alright, you guys, here we go. Here are all my shoes. Really cute. Well, let me show you like this. These are my shoes. I thought these are really cute. I just got these from Burlington Coat Factory and oh my god, I like really fell in love with these. But yeah, these were only like $14. Real cute. Where am I going this early? Nowhere. But let me tell you, I just wanted to put on my shoes. Let's